When it comes to unbeatable reliability, cutting-edge innovation, and jaw-dropping value for money, Japanese cars reign supreme. These legends have earned their spot through years, even decades of delivering flawless performance. Whether you crave a sleek sedan, an eco-friendly hybrid, or a powerhouse SUV, these cars have it all. From budget-friendly gems to luxurious beasts, with the most surprising picks waiting till the end. Buckle up, because these vehicles are about to take you on a ride you won't forget. Number 10. Toyota RAV4, the ultimate all-rounder. Starting at $28,600, the Toyota RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in the US for a good reason. Toyota's compact crossover continues to impress with its stellar reliability, affordability, and impressive resale value. The 2025 model doesn't disappoint with its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 203 horsepower. This is enough for a comfortable drive with an excellent fuel economy of 27 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway. Though the RAV4 might not be the most thrilling to drive, it offers ample cargo space with 70 cubic feet of room when the rear seats are folded down. The cabin is spacious, and the tech features, including a responsive 12.3-inch infotainment system, make it a joy to ride in. If you're looking for a dependable vehicle with room to spare, the RAV4 is a no-brainer. Number 9. Mazda CX-5. The stylish SUV with a punch. Next up, we have the Mazda CX-5, starting at $28,570. With a design that blends sportiness and sophistication, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 stands out in a sea of compact SUVs. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, it's an all-wheel drive gem that's a joy to drive. If that's not enough, the turbocharged version cranks out 250 horsepower and delivers exceptional performance. Fuel economy for the base model stands at 26 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, which is quite decent. The interior of the CX-5 is refined, with soft touch materials and an easy-to-use infotainment system. While the rear seat space might feel cramped for taller passengers, the Mazda CX-5 makes up for it with its premium feel and engaging driving experience. Number 8. Mitsubishi Outlander, underrated and packed with features. The Mitsubishi Outlander often flies under the radar, but it's one of the best compact SUVs you can buy for the money. Starting at $28,390, the Outlander comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 181 horsepower, and its fuel economy of 24 mpg city and 31 mpg highway is commendable. It also includes standard safety features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. One of the Outlander's standout features is its 7-passenger seating, which is a rarity for the class. Higher trims come with leather seating and a premium sound system. It's an ideal family car with excellent utility, all while remaining an affordable option. Number 7. Toyota Prius, the ultimate bargain hybrid. At number 7, we have the Toyota Prius, starting at an astonishingly low $7,950. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Prius offers the best fuel efficiency on this list, with an impressive 57 mpg combined. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a hybrid system, the Prius produces 194 horsepower and delivers a seamless driving experience. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend road trip, the Prius will save you money at the pump. The 2025 model also brings sleek updates with a modern interior and improved tech features. It's the perfect hybrid sedan for those looking to save on fuel costs without compromising on comfort. The Prius remains a strong contender for anyone seeking eco-friendly transportation without breaking the bank. Number 6. Honda Accord, a midsize sedan with top-notch reliability. Honda has perfected the midsize sedan, and the 2025 Honda Accord is no exception. Starting at $28,290, the Accord delivers an unbeatable combination of reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. The hybrid version is particularly impressive, offering a combined 204 horsepower from a 2.0-liter engine and 2 electric motors. With a fuel economy of 29 mpg city and 37 mpg highway, it's one of the best non-hybrids in its class. The Accord's spacious cabin, featuring premium materials and a user-friendly infotainment system, makes it an excellent choice for long trips. Its top-tier safety features, including collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control, are standard across all trims, making it an ideal family sedan. Even with new competition from the likes of the Toyota Camry and Kia K5, the Honda Accord continues to reign as one of the best mid-size sedans on the market. Number 5. Subaru Forester, the budget-friendly off-roader. For those who love adventure but don't want to break the bank, the Subaru Forester, starting at $25,795, is the perfect SUV. The 2025 Forester is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 182 horsepower. While it's not the most powerful SUV in its class, the Forester excels in off-roading capabilities and comfort. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, all-wheel drive, and an impressive 33 mpg highway, it's an off-roading SUV that won't drain your wallet. The 2025 model brings a more refined interior with top-notch materials, and Subaru's EyeSight safety system comes standard. It's an excellent choice for families who enjoy outdoor adventures and need a reliable vehicle for any road conditions. Number 4. Honda Civic, a compact car that packs a punch. The Honda Civic, starting at $24,250, has long been a fan favorite in the compact car category. The 2025 model is a masterclass in design, offering a sporty appearance, great driving dynamics, and plenty of tech. With a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, it offers a smooth ride, or you can opt for the hybrid variant with 200 horsepower for more power. The Civic's cabin is spacious and well-appointed, and the addition of Alexa to the infotainment system is a nice touch. The Civic is also packed with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making it an excellent option for commuters and first-time car buyers alike. Number 3. Mazda 3, the driver's choice for fun. At number 3, we have the Mazda 3, a car that lives up to the brand's reputation of providing great driving experiences. Starting at $23,950, the 2025 Mazda 3 offers a choice of two engines. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower, or a turbocharged version with 250 horsepower. Both are paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, giving you plenty of options to suit your driving style. Inside, the Mazda 3 feels more luxurious than its price tag suggests, with high-quality materials and an intuitive infotainment system. While it's not the roomiest car in its class, its fun to drive nature and refined interior make it a standout. Number 2. Toyota Corolla, the best-selling car in history. Taking the second spot is the Toyota Corolla, a car that has stood the test of time. Starting at $22,170, the 2025 Corolla continues to offer durability, excellent fuel economy, and a comfortable ride. Its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 169 horsepower, with a hybrid version offering up to 53 mpg city and 46 mpg highway. The Corolla is also available in 4 gas versions and 3 hybrid trims, with the option of all-wheel drive. The car's build quality, excellent resale value, and reputation for reliability make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable, no-nonsense car that will last for years. Number 1. Lexus GX550, the luxury off-roader. Topping the list is the Lexus GX550, starting at $62,900. The GX550 is the ultimate off-roader, designed to compete with the likes of the Land Rover Defender and the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Powered by a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 349 horsepower, the The GAX 550 is capable of towing up to 7,700 pounds and accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds. The GX 550's luxurious interior features heated and ventilated massaging seats, a touchscreen, and a heads-up display, offering a comfortable and refined driving experience. This is a vehicle built for adventure, with premium features that elevate it above the competition. If you love discovering these incredible Japanese cars, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more awesome content and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Drop a comment below and let us know which car you drive off into the sunset. Until next time, stay tuned for more rides that'll blow your mind.